I was thinking like, how can I learn like in 2 months? I spent already 7.5 years in UK with big companies, and I never got an opportunity to learn about the account, the complete account. I also same like, is it true that what this guy is saying? I also think the same when I heard the video of Tatsar and about from my friend. But when I came here, what I learned practically by doing the projects and all, what I learned in the books, what I learned in the universities, what I learned in the work experience, it was little. Only in 6 days, it was little. I was thinking like, what did I learn these many years like? No, I have 8 years experience. Then I was surprised with the 6 days class. I came here, I was thinking like it's a joke, but honest to God, after that, you will think like how many years we wasted our time. All institutes in the whole world, they will say this is our fees, pay in advance. No one will give you guarantee, like no one will give you an opportunity to sit in the class like 4 hours every day for free and learn the knowledge. Myself, A.Rahman. So coming to my qualification, I did my masters from UK, and coming to my experience, I spent nearly 8 years in UK. So I worked like assistant manager, store manager, then clerk assistant, and then I worked for an auditing company as a trainee accountant. But I didn't got an opportunity to learn about accounts. I was working like a bookkeeper. I worked there 3-4 years as a trainee accountant, but no one gave me an opportunity to work to get the knowledge of the complete accounting. When I came back to India, I got to know about Tatsar to one of my friends. Then he said like lots of like unbelievable things like you will learn all accounting in 2 months. I was thinking like, how can I learn like in 2 months? I spent already 7.5 years in UK with big companies, and I never got an opportunity to learn about the account, the complete accounts. I was working like a reconciliation or these thing or entry. But how can I become a financial manager by learning the knowledge by coming to the institute within 2 months? So I just peep into the video of Tatsar. In that video, Tatsar was saying like, just come for the free trial, don't pay the fee. Come for the free trial for 6 days. Once you will get the clarity, then only you come to then you can continue for next 2 months. Then all institutes in the whole world, they will say this is our fees, pay in advance. No one will give you guarantee, like no one will give you an opportunity to sit in the class like 4 hours every day for free and learn the knowledge. No one will give this opportunity. So I said, why don't I try? Is it true that I can learn everything in 2 months? So I just came for the 6 days trial. Then what I did, like, okay, now my knowledge was little what I learned in the previously. So I continued my class like for 2 months. In 1 month, I got to know like, there are like, when you're going for the, I tried on myself. I went through online portal. Then I start applying for the jobs. Then I seen like there are position like different position. For example, there are accounts payables, account receivables, financial analysts. There are like bookkeeping. There are loads of opportunities there. But what I learned here, if for example there are like in a portal, there are 15 opportunities, different job positions in finance field. I became capable to apply it for different positions. That surprised me. Like, before I was thinking like, I'm only capable of doing bank reconciliation. I'm capable of doing only like bookkeeping or, accounts payable. When I learned the 1 month knowledge, it made me capable to apply it for the positions of different, like whatever the requirements in the market. Accounts payables, account receivables, and like, financial analyst, and as a finance manager, assistant accounts manager, like different fields. Only in 1 month knowledge what I learned here. Whatever the videos what he's saying, like come for the 6 days free trial and compare your knowledge for the previous what you have, then continue for 1 month, then compare with the 15 years experience knowledge in the finance field. And it is true. I am the guy who benefited with this knowledge. No one will share the knowledge. But Tatsar is the only human being in my life I experience. He is the only human being who is sharing his valuable, priceless precious 25 years of hardships and more than 500 companies of his accounting experience, teaching us by not wasting our time more than 6 years or 1 year. He is actually saving our time for 2 months, just taking the 2 months and teaching us all industries account and making us capable and confident and caliber to crack the interviews. Whoever have the hungriness, they will get the seat. Not everyone can get the seat. If you pay 1 lakh rupees, you are not going to get the seat. Those people who have the best of manners only can get this opportunity to learn. So I only recommend and I only request to all the students, if you really worried about your career, you're really hungry about the career, this is the right place to learn the knowledge. Thank you so much, sir, for giving this wonderful opportunity. I'm ever grateful to you. I'm really fortunate, I did some good deed that I found you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the faculty who helped me a lot, who answered all my queries. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you.